I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to check your payment history on American Express, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the account summary. Once logged in, find the account summary section on the main dashboard. This is usually the first page you see after logging in. Step 3. Access payment history. In the account summary, look for a link or section labeled Payment History or Transactions. Click on it to view your past payments. Step 4. Filter your history. You can filter your payment history by date or amount to find specific transactions. Use the drop-down menus or date selectors available. Step 5. Review and download. Once you find the payment history you need, you can review it on screen or download it for your records. Look for a download button if you want a copy. Remember, if you can't find the payment history section, it might be under a different label like billing or statements. Happy tracking!